Finally I found some answer. Firewall control software. So install and tweak to my preference, which is inbound rules only. More to HNS container firewall rules. And also ghost.exe rules. I made this video to remind myself. Yet another antivirus setting didn't turn on. I make this video to remind myself. Not just those rootkit scan, but also virus like to disable notification. So have to prevent tampered. I turn it on all. Lastly, I notice my Chrome is unable to see YouTube video properly. So I turn on all features related to Chrome before sign in sync account.